In this WooCommerce search engine optimization lecture, you're going to learn how to implement enhanced e-commerce Google Analytics. If you don't know already, enhanced e-commerce is an extra feature provided by Google Analytics, so you can monitor your performance specifically for e-commerce websites. So the difference between regular Google Analytics and Google Analytics with enhanced e-commerce implemented is that it shows you total number of customers with purchases, average basket value, and your overall e-commerce performance. So it will help you to know what are the best sources and mediums or the channels that are working, how is your search engine optimization performance, and how you can improve it. You can use this plugin, this WordPress plugin called Tadfig Enhanced E-commerce plugin. You can go to plugins, click on add new, and write this plugin name and you can install it. So let's go back to our plugin. To implement enhanced e-commerce Google Analytics, after you have installed the plugin, you need to put this Google Analytics ID. To put that, you can go to your Google Analytics account, click on admin. So after clicking on admin from the left hand side bar, you can go to property settings. Over here, you will see your tracking ID. You need to copy this tracking ID and insert it in this form. Make sure that you have this checked and all these three are checked and implemented. So that's how you implement Google Analytics Enhanced E-commerce. If you want to implement number of impression threshold, you can use this option. If you need IP anonymization enabled, you can use this, and when you click submit, it should start working in few hours. Go back to our Google Analytics account. So if you go to conversions, you will find in the e-commerce option over here, e-commerce reporting features appear. If you go to your Google Analytics homepage, usually it just shows you these options like number of users, number of sessions. In order to access enhanced e-commerce, you need to go to e-commerce and it will show you shopping behavior, checkout behavior, product performance. So you can look at the products with most number of impressions or cart dropouts. You can look at your sales performance. You can look at the product list performance. You can access different categories. Inside the marketing, you can look at the internal website promotion, like the products that have featured banners and it is visible primarily or it is more prominent. You can check or order coupons and product coupons. If you have enabled affiliate marketing, you can even use this affiliate code feature. After you have made all the changes, you need to press this submit button.